Everybody loves salt. It's literally kind of like one of those things that's instinctive or like second nature for you to like, at least a little bit. Now, when I say salt, I don't mean table salt. When I say salt, I mean a composition of multiple minerals that the body needs. Now, salt can be found in the ocean. It can be found in rocks, the earth, rock salt or sea salt. But let's talk about the salt that everybody's actually using, because everybody's not using the best salt. Most people are using table salt. In today's video, we're going to talk about whether table salt is actually even good for you. Is table salt on the same level as sea salt or rock salt? First thing we got to realize about table salt, the only thing that's in table salt is sodium chloride, and possibly an anti-caking agent that they put on the salt to keep the salt separate so you can actually put in your salt shaker. There's a couple things wrong with table salt. First off, it's mineral deficient. Yeah, some of them they add iodine to it, but still, like iodine and just sodium chloride, that's only two things. Table salt is one of the leading causes of high blood pressure. So things that are foods that have high in sodium, really strong salty flavor, or really a lot of heavy saltiness, those type of foods have been shown to give you an increased chance of high blood pressure, hypertension, and possibly even things like heart attacks. So just that fact alone right there, heart attack, leading up to heart attacks, you can see it in people's family history. Highly salty, highly processed, high sodium foods with just table salt in, just the sodium chloride in it, or sodium, they don't use rock salt or sea salt. And if they did, they would put it in the ingredients. Otherwise, they would just say salt. I remember I learned this in school, oceanography class. The teacher said that salt is not just table salt. Because when you go to the ocean, salt is multiple minerals. So when you see the periodic table, the salt that you use is going to depict which elements or which minerals your body is going to be able to take advantage of from the salt. So we don't just need sodium, we need potassium, magnesium, iron, so much more minerals, and there's way better sources of salt out there. So if table salt is the only source of salt you're consuming, do some research and then do yourself a favor of trying a different type of salt. Try a salt that's going to have the other minerals that your body needs. As far as a salt for seasoning, the best salt in my opinion would be rock salt. So I use pink Himalayan salt. Pink Himalayan salt has been shown to have 80 to 100 minerals that the human body needs. Depending on where your pink Himalayan salt is coming from depicts how many minerals is in it. You might get it into in a rock form, so like when you get it, it'll be different colors of pink, dark pink, maybe even a little bit of red, some little bit closer to color to white. So it's a big mixture of minerals. That's what you need in your minerals, and it covers a lot of the minerals that your body needs. But that's not the only salt that you can use in your salt shaker as a table salt alternative. Rock salt, and there's also sea salt. I personally don't like sea salt very much because I know that there's a lot of pollution in the ocean. Rock salt comes straight out of the earth, much like table salt, but table salt only has the sodium. We need all the other minerals. We don't want to just taste the salty flavor. You want to get the minerals that are going to be good for your body as well. The minerals that are going to help your muscles feel replenished and your joints help build your joints up. Like calcium, we need those minerals. But there's multiple sources of minerals out there. You don't just have to use salt to get your minerals. I highly suggest anyone have a diverse variety of fruits and vegetables within your diet, because that's going to be the best #1 source of minerals. Vitamins and minerals, antioxidants, you get so much more from fruits and vegetables. But minerals, that's going to be like your best source. The last big popular source of minerals for the body. It's been tested to have over 90 to 100 minerals that the body needs, and it's a plant instead of just being a rock. So you all probably heard of it. It's the Dr. Sebi inspired sea moss. So you can get sea moss shipped directly to your house. You can order it wherever you want to. I get mine straight from farm in St. Lucia. St. Lucia is an island in the Caribbean, and I've been to the Caribbean, so I know how things grow out there, and things grow great. It's a great place for plants because there's so much sunlight and there's so much water. There's so much water moisture in the air. I tried mango out there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Fruits taste different out there in the Caribbean than they do than they do in the farms in California, Mexico, you know, the typical regular farms. Out there, things are a little bit different. So my question is, what does sea moss do? Helps replace the minerals lost when you wear and tear and abuse your joints, you know? Those minerals that you need, calcium. Calcium is in there. It also helps with muscle recovery because there's a lot of minerals in there that are going to be essential for recovery when you're working out. The essential minerals are in there. There's so many health benefits. I suggest everyone just go and just do your own research, check it out, learn what you can about sea moss. Check out my other video. I've tried it myself. I have some in the refrigerator. I'm experimenting trying to find a good batch, how to make it taste real good. Naturally, of course. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you stayed here this long, go ahead and give this video a like. It helps so other people can be able to see the content as well. And remember, stay away from table salt. Get yourself some sea salt or some rock salt. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.